DustBunny, but you can call me Dusty for short. I'm a dance teacher in virtual reality, and I've been teaching dance classes in a game called VRChat since 2019. I've taught classes ranging from belly dance to ballroom, hip-hop to choreography dance classes. I've even taught hula and burlesque, and now recently I've been teaching ballroom dance classes. The ballroom dance classes are my favorite because ballroom dance relies so heavily on physical touch. Yet in VR, we're still able to fake ballroom dancing. How cool is that? I love dance, as you can tell. I love dance, I love to dance with other people, and I especially love to teach other people. And that's why this year I've created the Virtual Reality Dance Academy. I wanted to create a space where people feel welcome to come and learn how to dance with each other, and have a lot of fun. Dance studios across the nation and globe have had to shut down or cancel classes. People are uncomfortable to go to a group class now because of the pandemic. My personal dream of owning my own dance studio has been crushed by the pandemic. And because of that, that is why I want to work so hard and help make my dream and other people's dreams of dancing come true. And that is why I've created the Virtual Reality Dance Academy. Being able to teach people how to dance in VR has been so empowering to me, and I absolutely love it. It brings tears to my eyes, and it makes it very hard to even make this trailer for you, because I know how important dance is, and I know how important dance is dancing together in the physical world. But right now, dancing from home in your virtual headset might be the best way to get through this together. So I really hope that you can join us on our journey through virtual reality and dance with us again. I know how hard it is for some of you to comprehend dancing in a virtual space, but VR has been a godsend for many people around the world. It's been a place where we've been able to socialize, have fun, and learn new things, even though we're strapped to a headset. Dancing in real life will always be better, but because virtual reality exists, I think we can still dance together. I know we can still dance together. So if that's something that interests you, please subscribe to this channel and check us out at vrdance.org. I'm very excited to start this journey with you. I want to be able to offer more classes this year and hopefully make my dream a virtual reality. So please check us out at vrdance.org or subscribe to this channel.